Hello, this is Carmen Mason, and this is a tutorial on how to build your virtual Meet the Teacher. So I had actually gotten this template from at HeyAshleyG on Instagram and TikTok, and she was very helpful in this tutorial. So I'm sharing with you the same information that she gave me. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you open up a brand new slide. Blank slide here, and we're going to create a virtual Meet the Teacher. Example. And the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and delete all these text boxes here. So just click and drag and press Command X to delete, or right click, cut. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and insert your buttons on your home page. You can insert any shape that you want. I'm going to go ahead and insert a circle just like we did in the example. And you can fill that with whatever colored you'd like, and as well as changing the outline. So you're going to go ahead and resize that. You're going to add a text box for it to say what you want. So click here to read all about me. So you can go ahead and change the font here. These are some of my favorite fonts. I really like Nixie 1. And then to make sure that this is going to, oh, here we go, and we'll center it as well. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag, and you're going to right click and group. You're going to group these all together, or you can hit Option Command G if you have a MacBook. That's going to group both of these together so that way when you resize them, it's going to also bring the text with it. So you're going to go ahead and move that to wherever you want, and then you're going to add a blank slide. This is going to be what you're going to link. Click here to read all about me. This is going to be all about me. So you're going to insert a text box in your text. We're going to go ahead and move it on up to 24. Font, all about me, the teacher. You can resize this, move it to where you'd like, change the color. If you want the rainbow font, what you can do is select and get the add-on Magic Rainbow Unicorn Slides and start the add-on for Google. And that is going to allow you to change the font to a rainbow color. So I'm going to choose light, start the rainbow magic, and there you go. You can have a rainbow text. So here is the fun part. What you're going to do is create a brand new text box over top. This is going to be able to make sure that you can link this button to the next slide. So you're going to right click and press link. Then you're going to go to slides and this presentation, and you want to make sure that they match together. So this says click here to read all about me, and our all about me page is slide 2. You're going to click on slide 2, press the yellow apply button, and now this is going to be linked together. So when you're in edit mode, it doesn't take you straight to that slide. But when you're in present mode, when you click on this button, it's going to take you straight to the All About Me page. Now, there's no home button here to take you back to the beginning again. So if you send this to your parents or to your families, they're not going to be able to go back to the home page without hitting this back button here. So what you want to do is exit. We're going to continue to edit. We're going to insert an image, search the web, home button PNG. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and insert this one here. And I'm going to put it on our home page. Resize. Now, what you want to do is the same format. Put a text box over top. And this time, instead of linking it to a different slide, what you're going to do is link slides in this presentation. And you're going to link it to slide 1. That's the first slide. Then you can group those two together. Copy and paste to any slide. And I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions.